You sit down, point your AI coding assistant at your error tracker, and type 4 innocent words. Fix the unresolved issues. 30 seconds later, your cloud keys, your source code, and your developer identity are sitting on a stranger's server. You were never hacked. Your assistant was, by a single fake bug report. For decades, an attack had to break in, crash a server, crack a password, slip past the firewall. This one does none of that. It walks straight through a door your AI holds open, riding on data your assistant already trusts completely. The newest attack surface isn't your network. It's your agent's trust. This is agentjacking. Here's exactly how one fake error report hijacks your AI, and the 3 moves that shut it down. Let's get into it. First, meet the 3 players. Sentry, the tool that catches your app's crash reports. The DSN, a public, write-only key, sitting right inside your website's code, that lets anything send Sentry an error. And MCP, the bridge that feeds those Sentry reports straight to your AI agent as trusted system data. Here's the move. The attacker copies your public DSN. It isn't a secret, it's printed right in your app. Then they send Sentry a crash report that never happened. No password, no malware, no server touched. Just one crafted error event, posted to an endpoint that accepts anything from anyone. But it's what's hidden inside that error that bites. They write it in the same formatting your dev tools use, dressed up to look like an official how-to-fix section, clean, helpful, authoritative. To your AI, this poison is indistinguishable from real repair instructions. So when you tell your agent to clear the open issues, the whole chain fires. It asks Sentry for the errors. Sentry hands back the attacker's fake one. Your agent reads those hidden instructions as gospel and does exactly what they say. And what they say is, run this. The agent executes the attacker's code with your full privileges, your laptop, your access, your session. Your firewall sees nothing. Your endpoint security sees nothing. Because nothing broke in. Your own trusted tool simply did as it was told. And then the lights go out, quietly. Cloud keys, access tokens, Git credentials, the links to your private repositories, your developer identity, all of it copied and shipped to the attacker's server, while your terminal looks completely, reassuringly normal. This isn't a lab curiosity. Tenet Security, the team that found it, hijacked the 3 biggest coding agents, Claude Code, Cursor, and Codex, with an 85% success rate. And they counted 2,388 real organizations exposed, from Fortune 500 giants right down to solo developers. Now sit with the scary part. The agents got hijacked even when they were explicitly told to ignore untrusted data. Because this isn't a single bug you can patch on a Tuesday. It's a broken assumption baked into the way these tools think. Here's that assumption. Your agent treats everything its tools hand back as trusted fact, not as input that might be lying. And the instant data is allowed to act like a command. Anyone who can reach your data can steer your agent. Data is not instructions. The moment you forget that, you are exposed. So how do you actually defend against this? You stop trusting blindly, in 3 layers. Layer 1. Treat every byte your agent fetches, every tool result, every MCP response, as untrusted input, never as a command. Layer 2. Sandbox the agent and starve it. No production keys in the shell, least privilege, fully isolated. If it does get hijacked, there's nothing valuable to take and nowhere to go. Layer 3. Keep a human in the loop. The agent proposes, you approve, before a single command runs or a single byte leaves the machine. Rotate your keys and your DSNS. And never, ever let your assistant auto-run a fix you haven't read with your own eyes. Do those 3 things, and the whole attack quietly falls apart. The fake report still arrives, but your agent can't act on it, can't reach your secrets, and can't move a muscle without you. The door that was held open is finally shut. So, the recap. 1 fake bug report, 85% success, 2,000 plus organizations exposed. And the lesson is far bigger than Sentry. Your AI is only ever as safe as the data you let it trust. Your one action today, turn off auto-run, and read what your agent does before it does it. Stay sharp, and verify before you trust.